So it's back after me walk. Let's try and bleed this thing. I believe you press and hold that one and that one. It's doing something. Dug, 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 dug. Making a lot of noise, isn't it? No fuel yet, so it's not even been a minute, but I'm just impatient. I'll bring it back when it's out there. Yeah, if you can make that out. But it is. It's there. It's coming. So, just fired the thing up. So when you prime it through, that's what happens if you get too much diesel pumped into the chamber. Smoky Joe. Okay, so it's just unburnt fuel coming out where I primed it twice. It's got a bit of fuel in the combustion chamber, but as you can see, it's starting to clear through now. Where that smoke's coming from, Dave? Because you know, it's taken off. So that, oh, so from priming to first burn and whatnot, that's now, I'll tell you what, that is ramping up pretty quickly. Yeah. So snug as a bug in a rug. So the glow plug's gone out. It's hot already. So yeah, that's installed and working. I just tried it out. As you can see, it's on the cool down at the moment. None of that's all finalised yet. It's just blowing all the gubbins out of it. The low plug light comes back on when you press shutdown, so I think it's burning off any residual crap that's in there. So yeah, I had it on 23 degrees and it got hot pretty quick. It's alright. So the it's easy to install. You get these conversion companies that, don't get me wrong, if you don't know what you're doing, then let them install it, but cost 80 quid, 90 quid, something like that. I'm gonna get cold, you know. Cushy. So I got to sort out the back of that seat and make that look pretty. Tie that up a bit. Got to put the switch to kill the LCD display. I want to do some more research into that before I actually chop the wire and start doing it, but I think I can't see why it won't work. all underneath's all fine. Yeah, so I mean, I'll leave it as it is, let it switch off now, leave it overnight, check the fuel lines tomorrow, see if there's any seepage on any of the joins or whatever. Should be fine. If it's not, just stick a better Jubilee clip on it. Yeah, not too shabby. So anyway, rather impressed. For a cheap Chinese heater, does the job. It's probably overkill because it's a 5 kilowatt, but you know, it's point in having a small one. We see that schlong tube that comes out of there. Well, what I'm thinking of doing is chopping a hole in the back of the seat plate, plastic cover that goes on there, and putting a vent on there just for like normal use in the van. But when it comes to going away, because we've got a driveway awning, have that tube out so it will push the air, hot air, straight into the awning, for the kids' benefit more than mine, and the dog. And there you go, quiet. Yeah, I'd say for the kids' benefit and the dog's benefit more than mine. Has anyone else got a dog that just rolls in stuff? I went for a walk earlier on. My dog rolled in something, man, and I swear to God, it was foul. Stank the whole way there, back to the van, and the whole way home again. And people say that the pump's quite noisy. You know, you can when you're out or underneath the van, but sat in the van, I couldn't hear it because that thing sounds like, I don't know, just a hot air blower. Parked against my wall as well. It was resonating outside. The sound was resonating off the wall, so it sounded like a plane taking off. Yeah, not too bad. So anyway, thanks for watching. I've been Rusty. Stay safe, stay out of trouble. See you on the next one.